पाकिस्तानी स्टार्टअप्स को ये जो पूरा इकोसिस्टम है, लाइक हाउ डू यू सी दैट नाउ, लाइक लेट्स से for the next like 3 to 7 years, to 2025 and then 2030, do you feel like the investors will come back? Of course, depending on the economy, the political situation, the security situations, but where do you see like what's going to happen?
So I have a lot of optimism for Pakistan, right? So I believe that Pakistan has a lot of talent and it has its own unique set of opportunities that you need to really decipher and make good use of. So I think Pakistan currently is going through one of its worst times. This gives founders time to work on their product market fit and listen to their customers. The situation is going to improve. There is no reason why it's not going to improve. We are a big market. We hold a space in the region. The world is coming to the region. We will have a spillover effect. So I believe कि ये वाला time गुजर जाए and the resilient founders who get through this time have a great future. So when the investment is going to flow into Pakistan, the resilient founders who've made it through would have built businesses which have a perfect product market fit and they have an ever growing client base. So they would be in a very good situation to accept that money and to deliver on the targets as well.
And what would be your message to the startup founders, let's say, जो अभी तक एक तो खड़े हुए हैं, जो थोड़े से रह गए हैं, और जो आई डोंट नो जो शुरू करना चाह रहे हैं, व्हाट वुड बी योर एडवाइस टू देम or
So my
suggestions?
my primary advice would be dream big. So one thing that I've been super let's say, how do you put it, I think क्या word इस्तेमाल करें, super like privileged ही कर लें.
नहीं, वो
Super,
प्रिविलेज में ना वो आ जाता है कि यार इसके पास तो पैसे हैं तो
yeah,
ये तो
so
बात.
I'm like thankful for. So that's, I think, something that's really worked for me is the support mechanism which has allowed me to dream big. As founders, you are believers. You are the people who are going to build the future of Pakistan. No one can see what you can see. It is very difficult to even, give them a glimpse कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं with the projections. आपको पता है और आपका belief है. You don't need the whole world to agree with you. You need to agree with it and you need to hold your ground. And it is a very interesting juggle between holding ground and then changing your stern views with the circumstances. थोड़ी सी molding capacity भी अपने अंदर रखनी है on making data driven decisions. Everyone in the world can lie to you. The data cannot lie to you. So be firm on what you want to do, dream big, and the closest person to your heart should be your clients. They will define who you are, what your business is going to be, and where do you go from here onwards.